India is a federal union consisting of 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state and union territories has its own unique cultural heritage, geography, and governance structures. States in India have their own governments, which are modeled similarly to the central government, with legislative, executive, and judicial branches. Each state has its own elected legislature and chief minister, who holds executive power. There are 28 states in India. 1. Andhra Pradesh. Capital, Amravati. Area, 1,62,970 km square. Districts, 26. Population, 4,95,77,103. Official language, Telugu. 2. Arunachal Pradesh. Capital, Itanagar. Area, 83,743 km square. Districts, 28. Population, 13,83,727. Official language, English. 3. Assam. Capital, Dispur. Area, 78,438 km square. Districts, 35. Population, 31,16,927. Official language, Assamese. 4. Bihar. Capital, Patna. Area, 94,163 km square. Districts, 38. Population, 13,07,25,310. Official language, Hindi. 5. Chhattisgarh. Capital, Raipur. Area, 1,35,192 km square. Districts, 33. Population, 29,43,623. Official language, Hindi. 6. Goa. Capital, Panji. Area, 3,702 km square. Districts, 2. Population, 14,58,545. Official language, Konkani, English. 7. Gujarat. Capital, Gandhinagar. Area, 1,96,024 km square. Districts, 33. Population, 6,04,39,692. Official language, Gujarati. 8. Haryana. Capital, Chandigarh. Area, 44,212 km square. Districts, 22. Population, 2,53,51,462. Official language, Hindi. 9. Himachal Pradesh. Capital, Shimla. Area, 55,673 km square. Districts, 12. Population, 68,64,602. Official language, Hindi. 10. Jharkhand. Capital, Ranchi. Area, 79,716 km square. Districts, 24. Population, 3,29,88,134. Official language, Hindi. 11. Karnataka. Capital, Bangalore. Area, 1,91,791 km square. Districts, 31. Population, 6,11,30,704. Official language, Kannada. 12. Kerala. Capital, Thiruvananthapuram. Area, 38,863 km square. Districts, 14. Population, 33,46,30,192. Official language, Malayalam. 13. Madhya Pradesh. Capital, Bhopal. Area, 3,08,252 km square. Districts, 55. Population, 7,26,26,809. Official language, Hindi. 14. Maharashtra. Capital, Mumbai. Area, 3,07,713 km square. Districts, 36. Population, 11,23,74,333. Official language, Marathi. 15. Manipur. Capital, Imphal. Area, 22,327 km square. Districts, 16. Population, 28,55,794. Official language, Manipuri. 16. Meghalaya. Capital, Shillong. Area, 22,429 km square. Districts, 12. Population, 29,66,889. Official language, English. 17. Mizoram. Capital, Aizawl. Area, 21,081 km square. Districts, 11. Population, 12,52,000. Official language, Mizo. 18. Nagaland. Capital, Kohima. Area, 16,579 km square. Districts, 16. Population, 19,78,502. Official language, English. 19. Odisha. Capital, Bhubaneswar. Area, 1,55,707 km square. Districts, 39. Population, 4,19,74,218. Official language, Oriya. 20. Punjab. Capital, Chandigarh. Area, 50,362 km square. Districts, 22. Population, 2,77,43,338. Official language, Punjabi. 21. Rajasthan. Capital, Jaipur. Area, 3,42,239 km square. Districts, 50. Population, 6,85,48,437. Official language, Hindi. 22. Sikkim. Capital, Gangtok. Area, 7,096 km square. Districts, 6. Population, 6,10,577. Official language, Nepali, Sikki में से, Lepcha, English. 23. Tamil Nadu. Capital, Chennai. Area, 1,30,058 km square. Districts, 38. Population, 7,21,47,030. Official language, Tamil. 24. Telangana. Capital, Hyderabad. Area, 1,12,077 km square. Districts, 33. Population, 3,50,03,674. Official language, Telugu. 25. Tripura. Capital, Agartala. Area, 10,491 km square. Districts, 8. Population, 41,47,000. Official language, Bengali, English, Kokborok. 26. Uttarakhand. Capital, Dehradun. Area, 53,483 km square. Districts, 13. Population, 1,86,292. Official language, Hindi. 27. Uttar Pradesh. Capital, Lucknow. Area, 2,43,286 km square. Districts, 75. Population, 24,10,66,874. Official language, Hindi. 28. West Bengal. Capital, Kolkata. Area, 88,752 km square. Districts, 23. Population, 9,13,47,736. Official language, Bengali, English. Union territories. Unlike states, union territories are governed directly by the central government, though some union territories, like Delhi and Puducherry, have their own legislatures. The President of India appoints an administrator or lieutenant governor to govern each union territory. There are 8 union territories. 1. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Capital, Port Blair. Area, 8,249 km square. Districts, 3. Population, 3,80,581. Official language, Hindi, English. 2. Chandigarh. Capital, Chandigarh. Area, 114 km square. Districts, 1. Population, 10,55,450. Official language, English. 3. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital, Daman. Area, 603 km square. Districts, 3. Population, 5,85,764. Official language, Gujarati, Konkani, Marathi, Hindi. 4. Delhi. Capital, Delhi. Area, 1,484 km square. Population, 1,67,87,941. Official language, Hindi, English. 5. Lakshadweep. Capital, Kavratti. Area, 32 km square. Population, 64,473. Official language, Malayalam, English. 6. Jammu and Kashmir. Capital, Srinagar in summer, Jammu in winter. Area, 42,241 km square. Districts, 20. Population, 1,22,67,013. Official language, Kashmiri, Dogri, Hindi, Urdu, English. 7. Ladakh. Capital, Leh. Area, 59,146 km square. Districts, 7. Population, 2,74,289. Official language, Hindi, English. 8. Puducherry. Capital, Pondicherry. Area, 483 km square. Districts, 4. Population, 13,94,467. Official language, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu. Thank you for watching Nixu Info. Please subscribe and follow for further videos.